Hi, this is Matthias here from Windsor.ai, and today I'll show you how to set up automated Salesforce data exports into Google Sheets. Let's get started. You'll need to have access to Salesforce instance. I have an instance here with some test data. So I'm going to get contacts over into Google Sheets, but the connector also works with custom objects, custom fields, and of course with all the standard object types Salesforce offers. You go to onboard.windsor.ai, and in here you type Salesforce. Click Grant Salesforce access. If you use a custom domain, tick the box here. If not, proceed. Click Grant access. Allow access. Then the window closes, and in here you select the Salesforce account. Go to Preview and Destination. And then in here, I select Salesforce to get a preview of the data. Now here, I will select the contact object because that's the only one where I have test data in to then preview the data. So this looks good now. Data is here. And as a next step now, I need to get it into Google Sheets. So I click Google Sheets here. I click on Install the Google Sheets add-on. And here, install the Google Sheets add-on. Once this is done, I create a new Google Sheets. And in here in the extensions section, you'll see Windsor.ai. Now, the first time you open the plugin, you're prompted to log in. So you click on the login button, and then you just copy your API key from here into the login prompt. When you save, this menu section here, Get Data into Sheet, will appear. Click on it. And now I can build my query. In here, I'll give the query a name. Then I'll specify the target sheet name. Then I can select the fields. I'm just going to select some contact, first name, last name. I include also today's date, and then I click on load. And now the data is here. So this looks good, but now we want to have the refresh every hour. To do that, click on schedule here, and then I set the refresh interval to hourly. I click save, and now I have fresh Salesforce data in Google Sheets. You would repeat that and you create a sheet for each of the object, and then you have fresh data in Google Sheet refreshed every hour. Thanks very much for watching, and enjoy working with our connectors.